Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Toggl Track reporting for project milestones step by step clearly. Open Toggl Track and log into your account. Navigate to the Projects tab in the left sidebar. Select the project you want to configure reporting for. Click on the Milestones section within the project details. If you haven't added any milestones yet, click on Add Milestone. Enter a name for your milestone that clearly describes its purpose. Set a due date for the milestone to help track progress effectively. You can assign the milestone to specific team members if needed. Click on Save to create the milestone. Now, go back to the main dashboard. Select the Reporting tab from the left sidebar. Choose the Detailed Reports option for a comprehensive overview. Filter the report by the project you just adjusted. Locate the option to filter by milestones in the report settings. Select the specific milestone you want to analyze. Apply any additional filters, such as dates or team members, as needed. Review the report to see time entries associated with the milestone. Make sure to note any trends or insights revealed in the report. If necessary, export the report by clicking on the Export button. Choose the preferred format for exporting the report. Save the exported report to your desired location for future reference. That concludes the configuration of Toggl Track reporting for project milestones. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.